Good morning, all. Have three micros on. Took them at 8:35 this morning. Went and vote. Took them close to the Globex high. I figure we didn't have much more to go because the Asian market is closed. Only the European market is open. Took it on a setup, and the Dow is only up $15 and $15. Nasdaq up 107, and the ES 37. So it wasn't much price action from the time I put them on to now, but it's a quick win in some micros. Simple trade. We expand the chart on this guy. I took it here. All right. Here on this crossover to the downside, and he stepped down. This was a nice play for an E-mini, but I won't put on an E-mini and leave my trading desk. So on a micro, yes. On YM, I would do that during the session, the cash session, but I would not do that on a NQ or an ES micro and walk away because during the cash session, they move fast. And if you put on a tight stop, you will get stopped out. So this is a simple trade. I'll hold it a little longer. At 7 o'clock, we're usually going to get a pivot. I may get a pivot down, and I'll take it off there. That was strong. That was really, the Nasdaq is a weak one today in pre-market. As the Dow is the leader, followed by ES, because ES is being supported by the mid caps, the EMD here. The EMD is the mid caps within the S&P 500, and you have the Russell, and you have big caps are rallying. So you have a broad base move up at the open unless something changed by then. But that's the trade. I'm gonna book my profit and making that pivot by at 7 o'clock. Usually get a pivot up back. So see, that was only up 9. NQ 9 to $1, and ES only up $30. I would hold the NQ since he's the weakest one. If YN came up, if YN do not pivot back down at 7 o'clock, I would take it off for break-even trade. I would hold the ES, but they all switch momentum to the upside right now. You got ES, got a momentum shift, and you got a key reversal on YM. Simple trade. If you're sitting at your desk at 5:30 and looking for an entry on NQ was the best entry in NQ. YM have the same setup. It was not as when I got in. The good play on YM was at 5:40. That's when I take it at 5:35. But then it rally up back and it rally up down. So you could have played this twice if I was at my desk. So take it here, come down, rally up back, get the pivot, lower high, high low. Then we get a lower high. So I'm looking for a pullback here at 7. For the 7 o'clock print here, I'm looking for a pivot down. Still an uptrend though, but usually get a pivot around that time frame. Put in some pivot lines. See if we trade them within this range here. We see what MES is doing. Hey, he's a little more choppy. This was a nice move here. At 3 in the morning when China closed and Euro open. China rallied like a bat out of hell last night in the futures market. It's still rallying. The futures market globally is on fire, which is a catalyst for the US futures market. Excuse me. And that's it for now.